One of the questions I get asked all the time when people are preparing for a trip on American Cruise Lines is a simple one. What do you actually bring with you? After many cruises and plenty of trial and error, I've settled into a system that works well for the kind of travel you experience on these cruises. American Cruise Line trips are not formal, high-stress packing marathons. I find them relaxed, comfortable, and built around exploring America's river towns, historic ports, and scenic waterways. Whether I'm stepping off a paddle wheeler into a small Mississippi river town or heading out on a guided shore excursion, the rhythm of the trip is casual and easygoing. So the way I pack reflects that. Before we get into the details, let's talk about strategy. For me, successful packing comes down to three things: coordination, organization, and accessibility. If you're enjoying this and want more honest cruise insights like this, go ahead and subscribe to Cruisin' with Ted here on YouTube. New videos are coming regularly, and subscribing really helps the channel grow. Everything you bring should work together, be easy to find, and be ready when you need it. There's no point bringing items that don't match or buried in a bag somewhere or take forever to locate. One of the easiest ways to stay organized is to group similar items together in small pouches or bags. That way, when you head out to explore an American river town, everything you need is easy to grab and carry. For your convenience, we provided, detailed in the section below this video, links to the products mentioned in this presentation. Personally, I like to keep things simple and flexible. Most of what I bring is practical day wear, comfortable clothing, and coordinated colors, so everything works together. That makes packing easier, and it fits perfectly with the relaxed atmosphere on board American Cruise Lines. One thing I always carry during the day is a small everyday carry pack, sometimes called an EDC pouch, which clips right into my belt. It's small, lightweight, and incredibly useful. Inside this, I keep a thin battery phone bank, AirPods, sunscreen, a small first aid kit, and a few other essentials. Electronics can easily turn into a tangled mess when you travel, so I keep everything organized in a slim pouch and a few mesh zipper bags. The mesh bags are especially helpful because you can see exactly what's inside without digging around. For charging devices, I always travel with my own power banks, including one that works with both Apple and Android devices. I also recommend using your own power bank instead of plugging into USB charging ports in airports or other public places. It's simply a safer option. For photography, I don't carry a dedicated camera anymore. My smartphone does a great job, but I do bring a small stabilizer, the Hohem iSteady M6 gimbal, which makes a big difference when capturing smooth video while walking around riverfront towns or filming scenic moments along the waterway. For security, I've simplified things quite a bit over the years. I no longer carry a traditional wallet. Instead, I use a MagSafe phone wallet case that holds a few credit cards and a little cash. A few small luggage tricks can also make travel easier. I use bright, personalized luggage tags so my bags are easy to spot, along with colorful luggage straps that make them stand out on the deck or at baggage claim. Inside those bags, I keep Airtags, which adds a little extra peace of mind. When it comes to clothing, layering is key. My Columbia brand Interchange jacket boasts a waterproof shell and a removable liner, so it adapts easily whether you're dealing with a cool morning on the river or a light rain during a walking tour. Comfortable shoes are also essential when I'm strolling along historic waterfronts, exploring small museums, or wandering charming Main Street during shore excursion. Your feet will thank you. I usually recommend wide-toe, preferably waterproof walking shoes. something you can wear all day without thinking about them. And of course, a few small comforts always make travel nicer. Eye shades, earplugs, and a pen and business card stuffed into your pouch. Don't forget to check out the link to the mentioned products, which you will find in the details section below this video. The truth is, packing for American Cruise Lines isn't about bringing more, it's about bringing smarter. Because the real joy of these cruises isn't what's in your suitcase, it's standing on the deck of a paddle wheeler as the river bends ahead of you. Stepping off the ship into a town that feels like a piece of American history. And discovering just how relaxing travel can be when everything is thoughtfully taken care of. And when you pack a little smarter, you spend less time worrying about your stuff. And a lot more time enjoying the journey. If you appreciate travel videos like this, we ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cruising with Ted. We are releasing new content all the time. If this kind of travel is something you'd like to learn more and qualify for a complimentary travel gift for two, scan the QR code above, click the link in the details section below this video, or give Shelley a call at 406-360-8059. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to Cruising with Ted, powered by Voyager Travel Group, and I'll see you in the next video.
Shelley and Ted thank you for watching and look forward to hearing from you to plan your next adventure.